like, I can't keep my hands out of it. I really can't. And it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl nayecole and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't even stare at me without smiling. So let's go ahead and address it right now. Do y'all see? My hair grew back so fast overnight. I'm just kidding. Yes, you guys, this is a Afro-Kinky lace. Y'all see the lace? When I get close like that, just stay back there. Stay back there, stay back there. This video is a little bit different because it ties into my Living in Los Angeles series in addition to my hair diary. So if you want to see how I got this look, how I got my lace melted in Koreatown, stay tuned. What is up, YouTube? Good morning. It is now, I think it's about to be 11 o'clock. I'm about to go get this lace melted in Ktown. I just came up with that name as a title for the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. For those of you who watch my hair channel, my hair videos, I don't think I've ever said it, but I've never done a lace. I've never had interest in doing a lace. I've never sought out to do a lace. So this is a new experience. For those of you who are here for my Living in Los Angeles vlog, this is a 2-in-1. I actually have to travel down to Koreatown to get my hair done. So while I'm out there, I figured that I just show you guys just a little bit, depending on where he's located. So without further ado, I am ready. I'm about to call my Lyft, and we're about to get the day started. Do y'all want to see my hair? Who Jesus? I'm gonna show y'all when I get. You guys, so I made it. Say hi, this is Rickie.
Hi.
Do you go by just Rickie or Rickie Dewayne?
Whatever you feel comfortable with.
Okay, very cool. He's from the South. What part of the South are you from?
Memphis, Tennessee.
Okay, Memphis, Tennessee. Okay, I was born in Miami, but I grew up in Atlanta.
Okay.
So,
close.
Yes, I love Southern hospitality already. He showed me my options. I'm so nervous. Okay, cute, natural. I like the length. Oh, and then there's this one. Okay.
Her.
She's pretty too. I love the wet and wavy. Ah. And this is a different hair texture?
Yes, this is more of a kinky texture, so it's real like.
Yeah. Okay, like our hair.
Yes.
I think for that, can I like one curl this or something?
Yes,
okay.
all of it.
Okay.
In the hair, so you can one curl it, rod it.
And it's natural.
Yeah.
Can either one of these be flipped to a middle part?
Yep.
Okay, that's another. I think I'm gonna go with her.
Okay. You don't have to make a decision now.
Okay.
We can wait till after we break.
Okay, let's rate it. Yeah, so we decide, but it's gonna be one of them. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I tried to detangle it as much as I possibly could, but it is what it is. Rickie said he's gonna do his thing. Ashton is braiding down my hair. As you can see, he is about to get his grip. Do you need this to come off?
Oh, no, not at all.
Okay. Together. And I will check back in when more than half. Rickie is back there. What are you doing, Rickie?
I'm reshifting your part.
He's reshifting my part.
So making you a middle part.
Yes. I decided to go with the middle slay. All right, let's go. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't had my hair braided by somebody else in like a year.
Really?
Yeah, that's not
I
terrible.
pride myself in a soft braid, so let me know if you like
Yes,
it.
no, I actually, yes. All right.
Almost done. Just get the back.
He just got the back to put down, but he literally did that in no time. This part.
Made it through.
Yes, braid me down. That was so quick. Next up is the fun part.
Yeah.
Just nervous. He's cleaning my hairline with alcohol.
And because you don't want it on so long, I'm just gonna put a gel.
Okay.
No real adhesive or anything. Just a gel to help lay your edges down.
Okay. So like when I put it on and off, this is what I need to do?
No and yes.
Okay.
So when you get ready to put it on, you might need just a little bit in the closure area.
Okay.
And you'll just take just a dab, put it on there, and be done. Tie your scarf around there. That's it.
Okay. What type of gel is this?
This is the RS
Okay.
gel. It's my new fave.
Okay, I didn't know they had a gel.
Yeah, they have given got to be a run for their money.
Okay. It feels like pretty snug. Like it fits.
Feels like it's not going anywhere.
Yeah. You guys, look. This looks like I just washed my hair. Can you record the back of it?
Mm-hmm. Turn around, let me see the back.
You guys,
It looks so
I got a
good.
whole thing of hair on my head.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, this is done by Rickie, okay? Ashton braided it down, but you're also a hairstylist.
Yes.
Very, very much indeed, okay? I can't wait to style it. What type of hair is this?
That's an Afro-Kinky.
Afro-Kinky hair. We're about like 16, 18?
Mm-hmm. That is 16.
Okay, see, I know a little something, something. And I look like my hair. Okay. Okay, y'all. Rickie just hooked me up with a Swiss lace.
Yes.
Period. Okay, I don't know what that means, but it means fabulous. Okay, where can they find you?
I'm at Rickie_Dewayne, IG and Facebook.
Okay, period. I'm gonna link all of that in the description below. Also, shout out to Ashton. Where can they find you?
You can find me at Nappy Fresh on Instagram. That's NAPPYPHRESH.
Will also be in the description below. Okay, y'all gonna see me playing with this a lot, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye. So, I thought I was gonna show y'all a little bit of KoreaTown today, but given that we are, one, in the pandemic, and two, semi-shut down, it also looks like it's about to rain. One of the good things about KoreaTown is everything is like in walking distance. Like you got your Target right here. There's a Ross which is an AKA Kroger, AKA a grocery store, right on another corner. And there's a lot of great places to eat here. Where I'm headed is called Escala. I'm gonna run in Target real quick, even though Lord knows I don't need anything. And then keep it moving like this. Real quick, so today is Friday and I am back in KoreaTown. You might be asking yourself, why are you back in KoreaTown today? I'll tell you why. So last night, I took it upon myself to edit the lace front. Shouldn't have done that. Messed it up completely. So actually Rickie, bless his heart, is going to fix it. And so I had to drop it off this morning. So I'm back in KoreaTown. It's actually a beautiful day. I'm just gonna show you guys me getting back to North Hollywood from KoreaTown. I'm about to catch the bus right now. I'm walking down 6th Street, I believe. So I'm like really close to downtown LA, but I'm not really gonna do much, mainly because I got things to do. I've been saying that all week. I ain't gonna do not one thing. So we're walking back. Let me show you guys the first Target convenience store. This is the Target of KoreaTown. It is quaint. It is literally a convenience store. It should be called charge or to get, because it is not in compliance with real Target standards. I'm making this up as I go, but we're gonna take a look. This Target is micro size, literally. Oh, these are cute. And we're at the end, just like that. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so made it to the train station. Right there. I don't remember what this little part is called, but I'm on the corner of Wilshire and Vermont. Damn, I need my card to get in this thing. I'm gonna have to do something strange for this thing. Hold the door. I didn't hate it. Made it in. So I don't have my Metro card. Wait a real nigga today. So we got a butt system. I do not advise you do this. But if you do, I don't know why I thought it would be more people, but this shit is a ghost town. Seriously, I got 7 minutes until the train comes. It's so spooky down here. So Rickie got my girl back together because I abused her. That's it. But she back though. What lace? We are back. Oh, I think I could kind of tell that it's looser.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we are back. She missed out on the weekend, but that was okay. I ended up doing anything. Okay, so let's get into this hair real quick. Shout out to you guys for watching and rocking with me. Let's talk a little story time about this hair. Super cool guy. His name is Rickie Dewayne, aka the Lace Wiz. Okay, period. I just gave you that nickname. Shout out to you, Rickie. He recently reached out to me, asking me if I was interested in being a hair model for him, and I said, sure, why not? I had to take out those braids that I had in, and I needed something done to my hair, and you guys know I'm growing it out. So here we are. Now, for those of you who watched the entire video, y'all know that the first one that he gave me, I messed it up completely. I bleached the knots, and I shouldn't have done that. The way I did it was incorrect. I ended up matting the hair really bad. It was just a terrible thing, and literally with not even 24 hours. Anyway, Rickie was so great enough to fix the wig. I think he even cut her a little bit more, like shaped her up, because it's giving me that, it's giving layers. It's giving a diva curled cut, and I'm in love. What can you tell me? Nothing, period. Okay, nothing, period. I will be playing with this hair a lot. I plan to wand it. I plan to bantu knot it. I plan to perm rod it. I plan to twist outs, all of that. So you guys get to see if there's any hair people out there. If y'all want to send me wigs, honey, go ahead and reach out for my mailing information, because I'm a believer now. This is my first lace front. This is my first wig. Let's roll back. Like, this is my, like, no hair out. It is a perfect protective style if you are looking to grow your hair back out. If you're new to the wig game, definitely recommend going for an Afro-Kinky texture. If you are Black and you have type 3 or type 4 hair, I have type 4 hair, and I promise you guys, this is what your girl is about to be looking like in 2-3 years. Like, just give me a second. Just give me a second, okay? My curls are a little bit tighter than this. I'll definitely say it's like this texture. yeah, I'll definitely say my hair is like very close to this texture. So I think that's another reason why I love it so much, because it's giving natural, it's giving homegrown from scalp. Okay, so yeah, so this is where we are. This is where we're gonna be at for a little bit. So happy holidays, period. Okay, I haven't named her yet, so if you are coming up with a name, drop it below in the comments. Give me some ideas. What should we call her? What should we call her? What is she giving you? What about now? How about now? Okay. All right. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be loved. Most importantly, be liked.